Diesel Particulate Filters, or DPFs, and their various faults have caused many diagnostic problems for the automotive trade. We have compiled some tips to help VACC MotorTech subscribers rectify soot accumulation issues.
This edition of Tech Tips proudly brought to you by the new Our Auto diagnostic tool, the essential MotorTech companion.
The soot particles produced by modern common rail diesel engines are trapped by the DPF units fitted to the exhaust system. The vehicle's engine management system monitors the DPF by way of a pressure differential sensor. If the pressure gets too high on the upstream side of the DPF, this is an indication that the soot is starting to block the flow of the exhaust gases. At this point, the engine management system allows fuel to enter the exhaust, which will ignite and raise the DPF temperature to approximately 600 degrees Celsius, which will burn the soot, reducing it to ash. As ash particles are smaller than soot particles, this will effectively unblock the DPF. This process is called regeneration. When dealing with recurring DPF issues, you should first gain an understanding of your customer's driving patterns and how they respond to the DPF warning lights, which could be the root cause of the problems. Then, with a compatible diagnostic tool, you should check the soot load, which is a value calculated by the ECM, and the differential pressure sensor readings. This should give you an idea of the amount of soot buildup in the DPF. Approximate known good values for these parameters are available in the June 2023 issue of Tech Talk. It is advisable to check for technical services bulletins via VACC MotorTech for your problem vehicle, and check previous Tech Talk magazine issues, as many DPF related articles have been written which could be relevant to your situation. A visual inspection of the exhaust system and its DPF related components like pressure and temperature sensors and their wiring and hoses could also shed light on what may have caused the problems. It should be remembered that DPF units have a service life. When soot is burnt, the ash remains inside the unit, and this may eventually block the DPF. No amount of regeneration will help this situation, as you can't burn ash twice. Vehicle manufacturers recommend replacing the DPFs with a new unit, which could be expensive. There are now aftermarket services that can clean a DPF unit and restore it back to near new condition. If new DPF components or a freshly cleaned DPF have been fitted, one commonly overlooked step is to reset any DPF related parameters in the engine management system with a compatible diagnostic tool. Once the system knows that new parts have been fitted, regenerations should be allowed to take place and prevent future repeated DPF issues. When repairing a DPF issue, you should ensure that the root cause preventing regenerations has been addressed. Failure to do so could see the vehicle present again soon with similar DPF blockages. For more information on repeated DPF related problems and how to overcome them, see the June 2023 issue of VACC's Tech Talk magazine. Log on to VACC MotorTech or call VACC's TechAdvisory service.